Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is U.S. Air Force B52. Strategic bomber completes ferry flight after installation of new AESA, Active Electronically Scanned Array Radar System. A B-52 Stratofortress has completed its ferry flight from Boeing's San Antonio facility to Edwards Air Force Base after receiving a modernized radar under the B-52 Radar Modernization Program. The milestone marks a major step in ongoing efforts to sustain the aircraft's role in the United States Air Force's conventional and nuclear long-range strike missions. A crew from the 49th Test Evaluation Squadron at Barksdale Air Force Base and the 419th Flight Test Squadron at Edwards Air Force Base transferred the aircraft on the 8th of December. The test team will carry out ground and flight testing through 2026 to support a production decision later that year. The new Active Electronically Scanned Array Radar replaces the B-52's aging and failing legacy system, providing upgraded all-weather navigation and targeting capability for the 65-year-old bomber. Developed by Raytheon Technologies and integrated by Boeing, the radar follows similar upgrades on the U.S. Air Force F-15 and U.S. Navy F/A-18, and is expected to offer comparable capability and maintainability. The ferry flight of this upgraded B-52 marks an important moment in our efforts to modernize the bomber force, said Secretary of the Air Force Troy Mike. This radar modernization ensures that the B-52 will continue to serve as a cornerstone of American air power well into the future. We are committed to extending the life of this vital platform, allowing it to operate alongside next-generation fighter and bomber aircraft. The radar upgrade forms part of a broader modernization strategy, as the B-52's service life extends through 2050 and potentially beyond, complementing the Air Force's newest strategic bomber, the B-21 Raider. The fleet of 76 aircraft is also scheduled to receive new engines, crew compartment improvements, communication systems, avionics, weapons, and other updates to support the full range of combatant command and USST RATCOM missions. This milestone ensures our future airmen inherit a modernized, ready Air Force, said Air Force Chief of Staff General Ken Wilsbach. The B-52 Radar Modernization Program is about more than technology. It's about readiness, deterrence, and the ability to fight and win. The B-52 remains a powerful example of how we fly, fix, and fight to sustain global strike capability. The B-52 continues to serve as one of the Air Force's most adaptable and enduring assets despite its age, maintaining relevance as mission needs evolve. The completion of the ferry flight with the upgraded radar highlights the Air Force's commitment to sustaining and modernizing its bomber fleet for the long term. The B-52 will continue to serve as an unmatched symbol of U.S. air power, Wilsbach said. With these upgrades, the aircraft will remain ready to execute our nation's deterrence and strike missions for decades. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.